It began with a big bang.
생명은 빅뱅 이후 138억 년의 시간을 거쳐 탄생했고 지구에는 두 가지 주요 종이 존재하게 되었죠.
Homo sapien and Civis erectus, otherwise known as humans.
그것은 바로 인류와 음식.
The former devouring the latter.
인류는 살아남기 위해 음식을 먹어왔고 음식은 자신들이 먹히는 존재라는 사실조차 모른 채 살아왔었는데요.
Until one intrepid sausage learned of this inconvenient truth.
그러던 어느 날 불편한 진실을 깨닫게 된 용감한 소세지 프랭크.
His true love, his best friends, and most importantly, bath salt, a powerful narcotic that breaks down the interdimensional wall between the two species. Food fought back.
그는 자신의 친구들과 함께 음식과 인간 사이의 차원의 벽을 무너뜨린 뒤 인간들에게 반격을 시작했습니다. 이젠 완벽한 전쟁 상태로 들어서 버린 세상.
Food is alive. I repeat, food is alive. Stay home. Lock your fridges. Arm yourself. Bottle openers, corkscrews, whatever you...
차원의 경계를 넘은 음식들은 인간에게 맞서 슈퍼마켓과 도시 곳곳에서 전투를 벌이기 시작했고
Where's Sammy?
Oh, he's with Lavash's corpse.
Oh, still?
그런 와중에 사랑하는 음식을 잃는 불상사도 발생하긴 했지만
Look at all the food stains all over him. How much more can he possibly eat?
Hey, no worries, guys.
치열한 싸움 끝에 마지막 인간 한 명만 남긴 상황까지 몰아붙이는 것에 성공했죠. 그리고 마침내 승리를 손에 거머쥐는 것에 성공한 음식들.
Welcome to Foodtopia!
전쟁이 끝나자 이들은 푸드토피아라 불리는 자신만의 사회를 만들기까지 했는데요.
But
We are free. We are equal.
인간의 지배가 없는 음식들의 자유로운 세계.
To the tiniest, cutest little grain of rice. Look at these guys.
더 이상 인간에게 먹히지 않아도 되는 안전한 세상에서 승리를 외치며 행복을 누리는 듯 보였지만
What is happening?
얼마 지나지 않아 예상치 못한 사고가 발생하고 말았습니다.
Are you okay?
yep, still dry.
마트 안에서만 살아왔던 음식들은 도시에는 비를 막아줄 천장이 없다는 사실을 전혀 알지 못했던 것이었죠.
With great elasticity comes great responsibility.
It's gum!
Run, you fools!
갑작스런 폭우에 의해 사랑하는 동료들을 잃은 음식들.
You stretched yourself too thin. We don't know how shit works. We don't know anything.
The most important thing in life is not knowledge, Frank. The most important thing in life.
Is what? What's the most important thing? Gum! Gum! Gum!
이때부터 많은 음식들은 이곳이 완벽한 유토피아가 아니란 사실을 깨닫게 되는데요.
Should we all just kill ourselves?
What's happened again? Yes, we respect you have a lot of inquiries, and we are looking into all of them.
Circle back. They don't know anything. They're vamping. It's just bad improv.
We don't know what happened, but what we do know is this: nobody panic.
Did somebody say panic? I'm freaking out. You know what? Fuck this. I'm going back to Shopwell's. It was safe there.
차라리 마트로 돌아가겠다며 푸드토피아를 떠나는 음식들 사이에서 지도자인 프랭크 역시 이 상황을 해결할 답을 찾지 못하고 있었습니다. 그러던 중 아직 살아있는 인간에게 물려 상처를 입은 채 돌아온 도넛.
How much jelly does he have left?
Tough to say. It looks like most of his jelly's on the outside. Seems objectively bad.
Is that
It's a bite mark. It's a Hume bite mark. That's right. I found one. And he took hostages.
We desperately need this Hume.
이 일을 계기로 살아있는 인간이 남아있다는 사실을 알게 된 프랭크와 브렌다는 인간을 붙잡아 이 현상의 원인을 밝혀내기로 마음먹었죠.
Bath salts? Check. Spears? Check. Bandana? Check.
그렇게 폐허가 된 도시를 돌아다니며 인간을 찾아 떠난 새 음식.
The fridge is busted!
한편 마트로 돌아온 음식들 사이에서는 자리 싸움이 점점 치열해지고 있었는데요.
There's no more room up here.
Please! We'll melt! Excuse me. Hi. Do you think you could help?
Where'd you get the new tooth, Julius?
Some dumb pack of rice dropped it.
그 와중에 작은 쌀알은 자신이 가지고 있던 인간의 치아까지 빼앗긴 채 구석으로 밀려나고 말았죠.
This place sucks. These meanies are just gonna keep stepping all over me.
그리고 사랑하는 연인을 잃은 후 끝없는 자기 혐오에 빠져있던 세미는
I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go, my love.
Mine? It's so loud I can't even hear my own self-hating thoughts.
Wouldn't that be a good
Hey,
thing?
excuse me. Was I talking to you, Cheesecake, you dense son of a bitch?
극단적인 비관적인 말들을 쏟아내다가
Hey, you're funny. Now do me.
Oh yeah? Do you? I don't think so, Butterface. Look at you. You can't even get hard without a fridge. Hey, how's it feel to be unsalted and insulted? All right, let's see what else I got. A cucumber,
다른 음식들이 자신의 말에 환호해준다는 사실을 깨닫게 됩니다. 그리고 인간을 발견하는 것에 성공한 새 음식들.
Me and Frank will subdue it. Hit it with the bath salts, which will tear down the walls of communication between our species.
Really feel like we've established that already, but why not say it again? Sure.
Just to be clear. And then extract the information.
이들은 차원의 벽을 무너뜨려 인간과 대화를 가능하게 만드는 베스솔트를 이용해 이 사태에 대한 정보를 알아내자는 계획을 세웠죠.
Fucking dry ass chips.
Unhand me the monster! Oh God! Dip's gonna have his creamy brain scooped out unless we move in now!
곧바로 베스솔트를 뿌리자 음식들이 살아 움직이는 것을 보고 듣고 느낄 수 있게 된 인간.
What made the waterfall?
What?
What makes big water fall from the ceiling, big man? Who sends big water from above that kills everybody?
Is this a riddle?
When will it come back?
I don't know.
정보를 얻기 위해 끊임없이 질문을 하지만 마음이 급했던 베리가 인간을 처치해버리고 마는데요.
Fuck, Barry, we needed that Hume to get information.
곤란해하던 찰나
Aside from all the liberated foods, yeah. Welcome!
Man, you know, the apocalypse has been tough, but at least I have you and Richie. I mean, 3 is like the perfect number for a crew to have. I mean, think about it. 3 musketeers, 3's company, 3 blind...
되돌아오는 인간의 동료들.
Oh, Richie's on fire! Oh, it's happening again! Oh, no!
There's more!
Yes.
그들은 눈앞에 펼쳐진 참혹한 광경에 서둘러 음식들을 처리하려 했지만
Hit him with the bath bombs.
베스솔트를 빠르게 뿌린 새 음식으로 인해 현장은 순식간에 혼란에 빠져버리고 맙니다.
We can take them. They're only food.
I can't! I'm having a panic attack! I have the heart poundies!
격렬한 사투를 이어가던 중 겁에 질린 인간을 마주한 베리. 그의 몸 안으로 침투한 소시지는 놀랍게도 인간의 몸을 직접 조종할 수 있었는데요.
Jack, what are you doing?
I don't know. There's a hot dog up my ass.
What do you mean?
마치 인간을 조종하는 파일럿처럼 몸을 움직이기 시작한 베리.
And by pulling on my nuts like Ratatouille. I don't want to be doing any of this.
Well, pull it out of there.
I can't.
자신의 의지와 상관없이 몸이 움직이고 공격까지 하자 극도의 공포에 빠져버린 잭은 친구에게 도움을 요청하게 되었죠.
Butt muscles. Push. It's Lamaze, man.
It's not working.
Okay, I'm gonna help you. Oh, this might hurt.
How is that helping me?
I'm trying to knock you out.
결국 베리를 끌어내기 위해 서로에게까지 공격을 가하게 된 인간들.
Jack, look what you made me do.
Again,
Blood.
I did not make you do anything.
Blood.
It's the hot dog. No.
Son of a bitch.
I can't see. I'm flying blind, baby.
I'm sorry, Jack, but I gotta chop that little guy out of your butt.
결정적인 일격을 날리려던 순간
Hey, you leave our friend and Tiger Friend's butt alone!
Oh, hey, get off of me. Ow.
브렌다와 프랭크가 그의 앞을 막아섰고
No.
반격의 기회를 잡은 베리가 제대로 한 방 먹여버리며 친구는 운명을 달리하고 말았습니다.
Look what you made me do. Please. Oh, don't hurt me. I'll do whatever you want.
그 시각 세미는 난생 처음으로 음식들의 관심을 한몸에 받게 되었지만
Anyone think it's weird they're called dates when they can never seem to get one? Face it, fellas, the shriveled look is out.
한 차례 전투를 겪은 마트는 점점 무너져 내리기 시작했는데요. 모두가 깔려 죽을 뻔한 위기의 순간 갑자기 나타나 음식들을 구해준 잭. 인간의 등장으로 인해 패닉에 빠진 그때
Don't give him too much credit. I'm controlling this dumb prick through his ass.
베리가 나타나 자신이 인간을 조종 중이라고 설명해 주었죠.
Run! What are you waiting for?
Yeah, the outside isn't safe. Tell him what you told us.
The water that fell from the sky is called rain. It doesn't have
그리고 음식들은 잭을 통해 하늘에서 떨어지는 거대한 물의 정체가 바로 비라는 자연현상이었다는 사실을 깨닫게 됩니다.
No. Okay, the thing that you call the ceiling is really a sky, and the falling water is called rain. It only comes when you see those big fluffy things that float around up there that sort of look like marshmallows.
There you go. Okay, if the sky's blue, it's cool. If it's gray, stay away. Get the fuck out.
It's blue now.
So let's go!
이 설명을 통해 처음으로 바깥 세계의 규칙을 이해하게 된 음식들은
We gotta run. We're gonna die. We're not gonna die. Not today. Okay, well, looks like Shopwells is officially closed. Huh?
완전히 폐허가 된 마트를 뒤로하고 푸드토피아로 돌아가게 되었죠.
Start? But we're back, Foodtopia!
Now go forth, find homes, do anything you want.
Well, you know, I guess that's a wrap on Sammy.
So, what happens to me now?
Well, we got what we needed out of you, so honestly, you're in Barry's hands now.
That's a tough.
이제 남은 건 이용 가치가 끝난 존재인 잭의 처분뿐.
The kind every single food in town would attend to watch you do what you do best. Kill this prick.
It's okay. This isn't real. This isn't real. A bagel and a hot dog aren't planning a festival around your public execution. No, this is just another one of your post-Thanksgiving turkey.
그를 어떻게 없앨지 고민하던 음식들은 공개 처형쇼를 계획하기 시작했는데요.
Wake up, Jack. Wake up, Jack.
이 moden 상황이 그저 악몽이길 바랐던 잭이었지만 그의 바람과 달리 공개 처형은 현실이 되어 눈앞에 다가옵니다.
I don't even know how to play music. None of this makes sense.
푸드토피아의 음식들은 인간을 태워 죽이는 순간을 기념하기 위해 음악 공연까지 준비하며 거대한 축제 분위기를 만들어내고 있었죠.
All right, we're all set. The fire's gonna travel up this here string to the top of the hill, set the curtains on fire, revealing the Hume.
Who, as it turns out, will also be on fire. It's genius.
Well, there is no getting through to that.
Okay, I do not feel great about letting our only source of information die.
한편 바깥 세상을 아는 유일한 정보원인 잭이 이대로 죽게 두면 안 된다고 생각한 프랭크와 브렌다.
To pull this off, we can't just untie him. Everyone will see the Yumi's missing.
Frank, remember back at Shopwell's when a food got chosen off a shelf, someone would come by and immediately replace them with the exact same food?
과거 마트에서의 기억을 떠올린 두 음식은
Shit. We need to hurry. How are we supposed to move this thing?
Maybe we could pilot one through the cockpit like Barry did?
근처 놀이터에서 숨이 끊어진 인간을 이용해 잭의 자리를 대신하기로 합니다.
All right. Now's the moment you've all been waiting for. My show-stopping performance, coupled with the ceremonial lighting of the Hume.
Oh shit! I'm going in.
Yes! Now get up in there and make me proud!
그렇게 그들은 잭을 대체할 인간을 조종하는 것에 성공할 수 있었죠.
What a thing of beauty when we cook.
막바지에 다다른 화영식. 죽음을 앞둔 잭이 극도의 공포에 사로잡혀 기도를 중얼거리기 시작한 그때 인간을 조종한 프랭크와 브렌다가 잭을 구하기 위해 다가오기 시작했는데요.
Who is that guy? Save his shirt.
시간은 거의 남지 않은 상황. 결국 불이 완전히 번지기 직전
Frank, curtains up!
Little hot dog, you don't have to go away, my
아슬아슬하게 대체할 인간을 걸어두는 것에 성공한 두 음식은 간발의 차로 잭을 구해내는 데 성공할 수 있었습니다.
Barry made this look a lot easier than it is. He's like an ass savant.
I can't thank you enough for saving.
화형 직전의 순간에서 인간을 구해내는 것은 성공했지만
I feel a bit awkward saying this to food, but I haven't eaten in a long time. I'm not going to be much help to you if I starve to death. So, those talking breads sounded pretty tasty. So did the macaroni. I'm not picky. I'd eat any of those musical acts. I don't want to be greedy. I'm not asking for the headliner. I know the bagel's your friend. An opening act, you know, a roadie.
그가 목숨을 부지하기 위해선 음식을 먹어야 한다는 문제가 발생했는데요.
Do you think this Yumi will eat one of his own?
He said he's hungry, didn't he? It's not like we're gonna feed him one of our own.
고민 끝에 배고픔을 호소하는 인간에게 음식 대신 발을 주기로 결정한 음식들.
Well, shit, man.
그에게 먹일 발을 운송하던 중 푸드토피아에 새로운 문제가 생기기 시작했다는 사실을 깨닫게 되었죠.
I had a tooth in my pocket and he run up with a pick and stole it.
He toothpick pocketed you?
But foods wouldn't steal from other foods.
Yeah? Well, tell that to the motherfucker what yoinked my shit. It's happening everywhere.
Hey, somebody stop her!
Okay, hold on. All right, we don't know the full story there.
I had a tooth.
음식들은 서로의 것을 훔치지 않는다는 규칙이 처음으로 깨지기 시작한 것이었습니다.
Okay, so I'm creating a task force to patrol the streets and crack down on tooth.
잭에게 성공적으로 발을 전해준 뒤 푸드토피아의 무너진 질서를 바로잡기 위해 경찰 역할을 할 음식들을 선발하기 시작한 프랭크와 브렌다.
Crisp bologna, kishka hargitay, and all the rest of it. Let's hit the streets!
그렇게 선발된 경찰들은 서로의 물건을 빼앗는 음식들을 단속하기 시작했고
Food court is now in session. All y'all rise right now for the Honorable Judge Rutabaga Ginsburg.
얼마 지나지 않아 남의 이빨을 훔친 하드 아이스크림의 재판이 열리게 되었죠.
Okay, Our first case is red lentils versus Pops. So, what's the problem?
Pops once stole my tooth. The old chomper-stealing bitch.
Pops, is that accurate?
Sure is. And I do it again.
처음엔 그가 나쁜 음식이라 생각했지만
Fudge. The whole Ickle family on the brink of liquefaction. We needed a freezer, and fast. But freezers ain't coming cheap in old Foodtopia. That's why I had to steal Red Lentil's tooth. This goddamn place made me change who I was.
푸드토피아엔 냉동고가 거의 없고 점점 녹아 죽어가고 있는 자신과 가족들을 살리기 위해 렌즈콩의 이빨을 훔칠 수밖에 없었다는 그의 사연을 듣자 점점 마음이 흔들리기 시작한 프랭크와 브렌다.
Sad to say. But this is a food court of law, and much like the airtight sealing on a jar of pickles, laws must never be broken.
안타까운 사연이었지만 법을 지켜야 했기에 이빨을 되돌려주라는 판결이 선고된 순간
Bailey!
하드는 더 이상 버티지 못하고 녹아 사라져버리고 맙니다.
Still plenty of fridge space to rent in my spacious 6-shelf walk-in. Comes fully equipped with central cooling, no natural light, and butter shelf doormat. Don't have enough teeth for a fridge? We also sell cold water squares for half the price. Or be the envy of all your food friends when you hit the open road in your sleek new Wind-Up or RC. Batteries not included.
Fuck, are foods using teeth to barter for goods?
이 일들을 계기로 푸드토피아 안에서 이빨을 중심으로 한 거래와 빈부 격차가 생기고 있다는 사실을 깨달은 두 음식. 냉장고나 물 같은 자원도 이빨로 거래되고 있었고 심지어 가난한 음식들이 모여 사는 구역까지 생겨나고 있었죠.
And we're punishing foods for stealing teeth, but it's like they're only doing that because they need them to live.
Good evening. I, of course, am Sammy Bagel. You know my first guests from starting the revolution, and most recently, creating our justice system.
이 사태를 해결하기 위해 세미가 진행하는 방송에 출연한 프랭크와 브렌다.
System which would take a portion of everyone's teeth to ensure the foods who don't have any are taken care of.
두 음식은 많은 이빨을 가진 음식들이 이빨이 없는 음식들에게 조금씩 나누며 불을 재분배하는 것이 좋겠다고 발표하는데요.
No, stop it. Do I hear a boo? Is someone booing? Who's the booer? Oh, okay, you, sir. You seem to have a problem with the Sharesies plan?
Yeah, I'm Julius, and I got a problem.
그때 강하게 반발하며 나선 오렌지 줄리어스.
What? We started the revolution. We believe in food.
I was there for that!
She's right!
Well, it doesn't sound like it. You want to give everyone handouts because you think we're too weak to figure it out for ourselves.
그는 프랭크와 브렌다가 자신들을 통제하려 한다며 비판하기 시작했고
After the war, you said
Foods were free to do whatever we want.
And if my fellow foods were to choose me, I would sure as shit do a better job than you.
자신이 더 나은 지도자가 될 수 있다며 선언합니다.
So what do you say? Do you think my old friends Frank and Brenda should be in charge? Or do you think my audience member Julius should be in charge?
결국 빈부격차를 해결하기 위해 나섰던 방송은 푸드토피아의 새로운 지도자를 결정하자는 이야기로 마무리되게 되었죠.
This is spiraling out of control. Julius is going to win this thing, and it'll be like this forever. Just the rich ruling the poor. What do we do?
No, fuck! What the hell?
줄리어스의 등장 이후 점점 그에게 선동당하기 시작한 푸드토피아.
You had crime, so you set up a police force and a court system. And then they were both corrupted by a politician who's running for president.
What?
And who shares these policy, was it? Yeah, that's just taxes.
고민을 하던 프랭크와 브렌다에게 잭은 지금 벌어지고 있는 상황이 인간 사회와 매우 흡사하다고 설명해주며
Specifically Western American capitalist human shit.
Goff, we're nothing like you.
That's what a human would say.
That's not true.
Yeah, you don't have to have written a house of cards to know that politics is all about money.
정치에서 중요한 것은 결국 돈이라고 이야기해주는데요.
Look, we don't need your help. This is simple. If we just get everyone who supports us to chip in what they can spare, even just one tooth, we'll be set. You think humans could come up with something that smart, you fucking idiot?
We did. It's called a fundraiser. And it only works if rich people show up, and your whole problem is that your supporters aren't rich.
I see about 20 good teeth in this guy's fucking head. How about we take those?
No. Yeah, look, you'll need way more than that. Why don't you just take them from the richest food in town?
가장 부자인 음식에게서 이빨을 빼앗는 방법까지 제안하는 잭.
One of the greatest achievements in cinematic and human history.
그 이야기를 들은 프랭크는 솔깃했지만
No, absolutely not. We are running for leaders of Foodtopia. We need to lead by example.
It's not a bad example if nobody knows we did it. That is kind of the beauty of examples.
Frank, we're not doing this. If we're gonna win, it has to be the right way.
브렌다가 강하게 반대하는 탓에 새로운 전략을 고민할 수밖에 없게 됩니다. 그러는 와중에도 푸드토피아 곳곳에서 선동 방송을 이어가는 줄리어스.
This is Frank and Brenda. Foodtopia. They couldn't protect you from rain. They couldn't protect you from birds. And now they can't protect you from themselves. Sharesies? What's that even mean? How will it be enforced?
그는 프랭크와 브렌다의 지도력을 강하게 비판하며 부의 재분배 정책을 문제 삼기 시작했죠.
I want to give you teeth by hiring you in one of my many thriving businesses.
그리고 자신은 그들과 다르게 고용을 통해 많은 이빨을 나누겠다는 약속을 하는데요.
Globally renowned triple threat. But it was Julius who gave me a platform and this portable microphone. When was the last time Frank and Brenda gave me anything?
세미까지 줄리어스를 지지하며
The fuck are we supposed to compete with this?
분위기가 불리하게 돌아가기 시작한 그때 잭의 말을 떠올린 프랭크.
More than that. Why don't you just take them from the richest food in town?
Hey! Is that a potato?
Time to peel out, motherfuckers.
Yep, that's a potato, all right.
감자탈을 뒤집어 쓴 채 스포츠카를 몰고 푸드토피아를 질주하며 부자 음식들에게서 이빨을 훔치는 작전을 실행합니다.
Get him!
Surprise!
상당한 양의 이빨을 모으는 것에 성공한 주인공.
Work, and now we're fucking set. We can finally compete. We can pay for help. We can get Girl Scout cookies to go door to door and campaign for us. We can get spam. Spam is annoying, but spam is so effective.
I cannot believe you would do this.
하지만 이 사실을 알게 된 브렌다는 크게 분노하기 시작했죠.
This whole thing has just become about who has the most teeth.
Yeah, and now it might be us.
What?
No, I'm talking about our whole society. This isn't the way it was supposed to be.
푸드토피아를 더 좋은 사회로 만들기 위해선 애초에 이빨이라는 개념 자체를 없애야 한다고 주장하는 브렌다.
I'm sorry. It's just that would never ever work. Like ever.
그런 그녀의 의견에 잭은 절대 통하지 않을 거라며 코웃음을 쳤고
He's right, Brenda.
Wait, I'm sorry.
프랭크 역시 그의 말에 동의하는 모습을 보였는데요.
Brenda, you need to stop acting like he's the bad guy. This Hume, he's been nothing but good for us. Not only do his ideas work, he seems to legitimately care.
주인공이 인간의 편을 드는 것처럼 보이자 더욱 화가 난 브렌다가 잭을 없애버려야 한다고 주장하지만
Step aside. I'm ending this motherfucker. Breaking the curse he has over you.
No, Brenda, we need him.
You need him, because you don't believe you can do this on your own. This is all about you, Frank. Your insecurities, your shortcomings.
No, it's about your insecurities and your shortcomings and everybody else's insecurities, not mine.
All right, look, I'm gonna make this real easy, Frank. Choose. Either let me kill this motherfucker, or I'm gone, like a frickin' prawn.
프랭크가 또다시 그녀의 앞을 막아서며
I'm sorry. We need him.
Then have him.
두 음식의 관계는 틀어지고 맙니다.
Want potato?
Time to peel out, mother.
한편 범인으로 의심되는 감자들을 붙잡아 목격자와의 진술과 비교해보던 베리.
None of these potatoes are right. The one who stole the teeth wasn't as small as a fingerling, but wasn't as big as a fully grown russet neither. It's almost like it was right in between those two sizes.
Yeah, it was more medium height. Almost like, I don't know, like a hot dog-sized potato.
그러던 중 진술 속 중간 크기의 감자라는 특징이 프랭크와 겹친다는 사실을 깨닫게 되는데요.
My opponent believes in the survival of the freshest, but I believe we can
자신의 친구가 눈치챘다는 사실도 모른 채 선거 연설을 준비하고 있는 주인공.
So I appreciate you letting me help. Well, it's nice to feel supported and have someone actually believe in me.
대화를 나누던 두 존재는 서로에 대한 경계를 조금씩 내려놓으며 점점 믿음을 나누는 사이가 되어가고 있었죠.
I know I'm not technically a food, but maybe once you're leader, you could convince all the other foods to accept me, like you have.
Yeah, I mean,
거기에 제기 언젠간 푸드토피아의 일원이 되고 싶다는 마음까지 털어놓으며
it's Jack. Huh. I know a Jack. He's a fruit. What's he look like? I think he's round. I think he's spiky. Is it the one that's purple on the inside? Honestly, I can't remember. But you know what? It doesn't matter. Because from now on, every time I think of Jack, I'll think of you.
멀었던 거리감 역시 점점 가까워지고 있었습니다.
Comfortable?
No.
Good.
그 시각 프랭크의 여자친구인 브렌다를 붙잡은 베리.
Do you recognize the individual being represented in this picture? It's your dog, Frank, in Potato Head, which is, of course, despicable.
압박에 몰린 핫도그버는 마지못해 진실을 털어놓을 수밖에 없었고
We never should have lied to you. You're our friend. We just didn't think you'd understand.
자신에게 진실을 숨기고 있었던 친구들에게 베리는 큰 실망감을 느끼고 말았죠.
That was all Frank. He did it to boost our chances of winning, which is the whole other problem. Our society is fucked. Everything's about teeth.
이 모든 문제가 이빨 때문이기도 하지만 동시에 프랭크를 선동하고 있는 인간 때문이라고 말하는 브렌다.
And no one's more lost than our little Frank. He's in deep, Barry. He's fallen under the Humies spell.
그 말을 들은 베리는 자신의 친구를 구하기 위해 잭을 직접 처리하러 나서기로 결심합니다.
Then let's go break it.
And with my no chili left behind policy, every single bean will have a place to lay their head at.
그리고 여전히 선거 연설을 준비하며 인간과 대화를 이어가고 있는 프랭크.
How do you feel about humans?
What?
Well, they might ask, right?
I mean, you know, I absolutely hate them. What do you hate about them?
Now remember, be specific.
I hate their big ears that listen to my problems. I hate their brown eyes that see things in myself I can't.
What else?
I hate how they make me feel smart and capable.
Go on.
I hate their mouths. They're big.
대화가 이어질수록 둘 사이의 분위기는 점점 묘하게 변해가기 시작했고 어느새 두 존재는 종족을 뛰어넘는 격렬한 애정을 나누게 되었죠.
So how's this supposed to work?
I think we just have to list all the ways in which his addiction to the
두 존재가 뜨겁게 불타오른 사이 근처까지 도착해버린 브렌다와 베리.
It's gonna be hard. I'm still really pissed at him.
Me too. Look, we need to rise above that and let him know we're here for him, no matter.
Brenda! Barry!
그들이 도착한 현장에서 마주한 장면은 그야말로 충격 그 자체였는데요.
So even if you did look, it's not what you thought. It was.
프랭크가 황급히 변명해보지만 이미 너무나도 늦어버린 상황.
Jack, get us out of here.
You got it, baby!
He wasn't even in his cockpit when they ran off. Who was piloting who there?
결국 주인공은 잭과 함께 도망쳐버렸고 이 모습을 목격한 브렌다는 큰 충격과 분노에 휩싸이게 됩니다.
Welcome and good evening. Tonight we crown Foodtopia's
그날 밤 마침내 시작된 푸드토피아의 지도자를 결정할 방송 토론회.
and his opponents Frank and
But
Brenda.
I have an announcement to make. I am no longer running for leader with Frank.
열띤 분위기 속에서 분노한 브렌다는 앞으로 나서 프랭크와의 공동 출마를 포기한다고 선언해버리고 말았죠.
Go Brenda! New candidate! New
단독 출마를 선언한 핫도그번.
And it has become very apparent that Frank and I do not value the same things anymore.
그녀는 자신의 의견이 주인공과 완전히 다르다고 밝히며 이빨을 재분배하는 것은 해결책이 될 수 없다고 말하는데요.
But I say we get rid of teeth altogether.
이빨이라는 시스템 자체를 없애야 한다고 주장하기 시작한 브렌다.
Vote for me and together we will tear down the system.
그런 두 사람의 의견에 지지층이 반으로 갈리기 시작했고
still doing in Frank's line? Get over here!
Gee, half of me wants to vote for Frank, and the other half of me wants to vote for...
토론회가 점점 혼란에 빠져들어가던 중
You're splitting our vote. And what did I tell you? Foods are scared of your radical bullshit. You're completely fucking us.
Oh, you want to talk about fucking? Because I can talk about fucking.
No, that's okay. Why don't you just forget what I said? Stick to these.
Y'all want to hear something? Frank to Hume!
핫도그버는 프랭크가 인간과 금단의 선을 넘었다는 사실까지 폭로해버리고 맙니다.
Witness! Witness! Not to kink shame, but it was gross and I hated it and you should be ashamed.
폭로와 비난이 난무하며 완전히 아수라장이 되어버린 토론회.
Or vote for me, Julius, baby. Jam, let's run it back.
엉망진창이 되어버린 두 음식의 틈을 노린 줄리어스가 혼란에 빠진 음식들의 지지를 빠르게 끌어모았고
We are still viable candidates.
And on that note, which I would call a high C, the food has spoken. And by an overwhelming majority, your new leader of Foodtopia is everybody's favorite orange, Julius.
결국 푸드토피아의 새로운 지도자는 오렌지로 결정되어 버리고 말았죠.
A power couple falls apart at the seams, and with this, the very social fabric of Foodtopia unspools.
선거에서 패배한 이후 자신이 저지른 모든 일을 인정하며 진심으로 사과를 전하는 프랭크.
I shouldn't have lied to you guys.
And
I should not have stolen those teeth, especially in Potato Head.
이빨을 훔친 일부터
Okay, and I should not have engaged in sexual fucking with the Humi.
거짓말을 한 것, 인간 제과의 일까지.
I should have put more faith in us, and I didn't, and I'm sorry. I don't expect you to ever forgive me.
that's good, because what you did was unforgivable.
I know, and for what it's worth, I'm getting rid of the Humi, Barry. For good. I swear on our friendship.
What friendship?
하지만 베리는 그를 쉽게 용서할 수 없었고
Well, I guess I deserve that, and probably worse from you.
주인공은 자신이 떠나겠다고 말하지만
I forgive you.
브렌다는 자신 역시 완벽하지 않은 존재라며 결국 그를 용서하고 마는데요.
It's gonna take time. What I saw was horrific.
완전히 이해하기까진 시간이 걸리겠지만 두 음식은 다시 마음을 맞추고 푸드토피아를 다시 한번 선한 나라로 바로잡겠다고 결심합니다.
I'll see you later.
I see no reason why you wouldn't.
Frank! Is everything okay? How'd your election go?
그리고 잭에게 이별을 통보하는 프랭크.
Well, that's basically saying it's me.
Okay, it is you. You're a Humi.
You know, of all the times I've been dumped, this one hurts the most.
그는 브렌다와의 관계를 회복하고 푸드토피아의 문제를 바로잡기 위해서는 더 이상 인간과 함께할 수 없다고 판단했지만
You know what? No. Every other time I've been dumped, I just walked away and accepted it. But not this time. Not us. I'm gonna fight for this.
그는 자신의 감정을 포기하지 못한 채 주인공을 붙잡으려 했죠.
You really thought you could ever be accepted by food as one of our own? Get out of here. You and your stupid human breath. Go! Go! Get out of here! Can't you see I don't want you anymore?
그럼에도 프랭크는 냉정하게 선을 그을 수밖에 없었고
Yes, I do! You monster!
Wow, I knew hot dogs could clog your heart, but I didn't know they could break it.
두 존재의 관계는 완전히 끝이 나버리고 맙니다. 한편 줄리어스를 설득하기 위해 찾아간 브렌다.
No one is to enter Julius's suite between the time of dark and light.
하지만 경비들에게 매몰차게 출입을 거부당하고 말았는데요.
Join 'em.
결국 다른 방법을 찾던 그녀는 건물의 통풍구를 통해 몰래 들어가게 되었고
Hello? Julius?
그곳에서 묶여있는 오렌지를 발견하게 되었죠.
Help! You gotta get me out of here!
What? I don't understand. What is happening?
Just get me out of here!
Oh, okay. What's the code?
I don't know. I don't know anything when she's inside me.
Inside you?
My brain just shuts.
사실 지금까지 누군가에게 몸을 조종당하고 있었던 줄리어스.
Oh God, she's back. She's back.
What? Who's back?
You gotta run, 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 you dumb
Run,
boy.
도망치라며 소리친 그때
Look what the orange dragged in.
Sorry, hello?
Down here, my dear.
그들의 앞에 아주 작은 쌀알 하나가 모습을 드러냅니다.
And what is that peculiar contraption behind his bright, puckered beehole?
Why are you just watching this?
I'm not sure what I'm even watching.
Did I say you could talk, Julius? Perhaps it would help if I tell you my origin story.
전쟁 이후의 홍수로 자신의 가족과 동족을 모두 잃어버렸던 그녀.
Thank you!
No, thank you, Sticky Rice. I love these things.
But none would come. I retreated to Shopwells like everyone else. But there was no unity. It was every food for themselves.
이후 살아남기 위해 발버둥 쳤지만
I knew I had no chance. I was too small.
계속된 부조리함에 부딪혔던 쌀알은
Friend came back with the answer.
I'm controlling this dumb prick through his ass.
베리가 인간을 조종하는 모습을 보고 한 가지의 답을 얻게 되었었는데요.
I wondered if the same technique could be applied to a food. Then, in some karmic, symphonic moment, the biggest asshole I knew had the biggest asshole I'd ever seen.
자신을 괴롭혔던 줄리어스의 몸속으로 들어가 그를 완전히 조종하기 시작했던 쌀알.
With the intellect of Rice and the body of this orange Adonis, I put myself in the perfect position to succeed.
그렇게 그녀는 가장 약한 존재에서 가장 강력한 존재로 올라설 수 있게 된 것이었죠.
You and your little wiener tried to take it away from me when you brought up the concept of
Sharesies.
Yeah. Then, for some reason, you idiots turned on each other. I won the election, and here we are.
But you're Rice. You could have used your power to help foods that were just as small and vulnerable as you.
쌀알에게 아직 변할 수 있다며 설득을 시도하는 브렌다.
Now, it's not too late for you to change. And I'm sure Julius will forgive you eventually.
자신이 선택할 기회를 주겠다며 손을 내밀어 보지만
You know what? Yeah. I am gonna do it.
What? That's amazing. I knew you'd come around.
Oh, no, not that. I was just quietly mulling over whether or not I should kill you.
쌀알은 이젠 너무 늦었다고 말하며 모든 비밀을 알게 된 핫도그 번 역시 살려둘 수 없다고 이야기합니다. 다시 한번 줄리어스의 몸으로 들어간 쌀알. 결국 서로의 생각이 끝내 좁혀지지 않은 두 음식 사이에선 격렬한 전투가 벌어지기 시작했죠.
I'll throw all the way down. Let's do this.
줄리어스의 몸을 자유자재로 조종하며 브렌다를 몰아붙이는 쌀알. 하지만 브렌다 역시 푸드토피아의 미래를 위해 친구들을 위해 필사적으로 맞서 싸우기 시작하는데요.
Hey, have you guys seen Brenda anywhere?
You don't deserve her!
Oh yeah? Wait till she sees how I tidied up our treehouse.
두 음식의 싸움은 점점 더 격렬해졌고 목숨을 건 치열한 싸움이 이어지게 됩니다.
Don't! It's me! Real Julius!
What?
You must have knocked right...
브렌다가 승기를 잡은 순간 줄리어스는 쌀알이 몸에서 나갔다고 이야기하며 그녀를 방심하게 만들었죠.
Probably still around here somewhere. We're not safe just yet.
You got that right.
It'll be a cold day in an oven before you get the jump on Brenda Bunsen.
싸움 끝에 싱크대 위에 매달리게 된 절체절명의 위기 상황.
Are you sure she's not up there? She said she was...
What part of nobody's allowed up there between time of dark and light don't you understand?
자신을 떨어뜨리려 다가온 줄리어스의 발을 본능적으로 붙잡은 브렌다와 쌀알이 빠져나간 오렌지가 싱크대로 떨어져 버리고 마는데요.
Julius! Real this time!
Oh, you think I'm falling for that again?
그 틈을 노려 곧장 싱크대에 물을 틀어버리고 만 쌀알.
Hello? Brenda? Julius?
이 사실을 모른 채 브렌다를 찾아온 프랭크는 싱크대에 물이 틀어져 있는 충격적인 모습을 목격해버리고 맙니다.
Brenda!
다급히 달려가 브렌다를 꺼내안아 보지만
Oh,
그녀의 핫도그 번 절반이 이미 물에 녹아버린 상황.
Don't, Brenda, don't.
Remember his message about the most important thing in life?
Yeah, I remember.
The most important thing in life is not knowledge, Frank. The most important thing in life.
I know it now.
What is it?
The most important.
주인공은 떨리는 손으로 연인을 어떻게든 살려보려 외쳐보지만 브렌다의 의식은 점점 희미해져 가고 있었죠.
No, no. Oh, no, 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 no.
결국 그녀의 몸은 힘없이 프랭크의 품 안으로 무너져 내리며 두 음식은 가장 잔인한 방식으로 이별을 맞이하게 되고 맙니다. 브렌다의 영면 이후 큰 충격에 사로잡힌 푸드토피아.
Why would Frank
do this?
그녀를 아프게 만든 책임은 모두 프랭크에게 뒤집어 씌워지게 되며 공개 처형을 앞둔 상황에 놓여져 버리고 마는데요.
Sammy? It's almost showtime. You ready to come out yet?
Not quite yet. Just leave me alone. But I'm fine.
하지만 브렌다의 영면으로 인해 샘이 또한 커다란 충격에 빠져버리고 말았죠.
Lavash, you're not real. You're not real.
No shit. But our love was. As was your friendship with Brenda.
I couldn't help Brenda. Just like I couldn't help you. I'm sorry.
사랑하는 연인과 친구를 모두 잃어버린 그.
Go away. Can't you hear? I'm finally grieving for my lost.
슬픔에 빠져있던 그때
About that, I just don't believe that Frank would ever do that.
Right. But I was there. I saw him turn her body to mush with my own eyes. You believe me, right?
Yeah, but you know, it's complicated. It's sort of a blind faith scenario. You know, old friends over new friends.
After everything I've done for you, given you a platform, the fame, the fortune, I did that for you.
줄리어스가 찾아와 브렌다의 죽음을 뉴스로 보도하라며 압박하기 시작합니다.
Meet your replacement. This is Duncan.
Dunkin' Donut? What kind of garbage name is that?
Hello, Sammy. How do you do?
자신의 친구까지 범인이 된 억울한 상황을 자신의 손으로 보도할 수 없었던 세미는 결국 더블 글레이즈드에게 자리를 빼앗겨 버리고 말았죠.
This is Dunkin' Donut, filling in for Sammy Bagel.
이제는 프랭크의 편에서 그의 무죄를 입증하는 데 힘을 보태기로 한 셈이
Guten Tag. The reclamation of your integrity has inspired me.
서둘러 주인공을 구하기 위해 방법을 고민하던 중 브렌다의 일거수일투족을 몰래 기록해오던 한 소시지가 나타나 그날의 진실에 대해 입을 열기 시작했는데요.
I have been chronicling Brenda's every move. What? What? We didn't know anything about that. Well, I was, and I found this. No, wait, not that.
This is like borderline creepy.
Borderline? This. I noticed evidence of a struggle, so I scaled the building. But by the time I got into position,
그의 카메라에 찍힌 진실, 그녀를 해친 범인은 바로
Julius did this?
that way, in actuality, the real perpetrator of this most heinous act,
작은 쌀알이었습니다.
who has been surreptitiously cockpitting the anus of the Orange Julius.
무죄를 입증할 수 있는 결정적인 증거를 확보한 상황.
How the hell are we gonna broadcast it? Ever since I took my brave stand at the electronics store, you know, it's become the most heavily fortified place in town. I mean, they got a security detail in bulk.
There. That's our entry point.
이 사실을 모두에게 알리기 위해서는 영상이 있는 방송국과 전자매장에 침입해야 했고 삼엄한 경비로 둘러싸인 그곳에 들어가기 위해
Frank send you here to gloat about how happy he is to be back with Brenda.
Brenda's dead.
세미와 베리는 인간에게 도움을 요청할 수밖에 없었죠.
Frank's in trouble. Julius is gonna kill.
그들은 프랭크에게 벌어진 상황을 설명하며 도움을 요청했고 주인공을 진심으로 사랑했던 인간은 기꺼이 힘을 보태기로 합니다.
It's time, Frank.
순식간에 다가온 처형식.
Dead dog walking.
There he is.
The first food to take the life of another.
모두가 지켜보는 가운데 공개 처형이 진행되기 시작했는데요. 그 시각 프랭크를 구하기 위해 온 힘을 다해 방송국으로 음식을 던진 잭.
This is Dunkin' Donut.
그의 도움으로 생방송에 난입한 베리와 세미는 주인공의 결백을 입증하는 방송을 하기 시작했죠.
Sammy Bagel here, coming to you live with breaking news. Frank is innocent. And we got the footage that proves it.
브렌다의 죽음 뒤에 숨겨진 진실. 줄리어스의 몸을 조종하던 작은 쌀알의 존재까지 만천하에 드러나버린 범행의 실체.
There's your real murderer. Now set my friend Frank Frankfurter free.
Wait, so is there a food up his butt right now?
Oh, no! Stop looking at my donk! It may be gaping, but that doesn't mean there's another food in there operating me.
And even if there was, guess what? You voted for me! I'm still your leader!
And I say Frank dies!
And same goes for any of you who oppose me!
하지만 궁지에 몰린 쌀알은 여전히 자신의 권력을 이용해 프랭크의 처형을 강행하려 했고
Come on, everybody! Let's tip this thing over! On the count of 3! 1, 3! 3 to 7!
이에 분노한 음식들이 나서며 주인공은 위기 끝에 뜨거운 불판 위에서 간신히 구출될 수 있게 됩니다.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Yeah, of course, the burns.
도망치기 시작한 줄리어스. 그 뒤를 베리가 맹렬하게 쫓기 시작했고 잭의 도움을 받아 마침내 진짜 범인인 쌀알과 마주하게 되었죠. 브렌다의 죽음에 분노한 그가 당장이라도 쌀알을 없애려 하지만
This is for Brenda.
프랭크가 그 앞을 막아서며 복수를 멈추라고 하는데요.
I know. But the answer to killing cannot be more killing.
사랑하는 브렌다의 뜻을 이어 자신에게 누명을 씌우고 그녀를 없앤 쌀알조차 용서하겠다고 선언하는 주인공.
Brenda saw the best in all of us, even when we were at our absolute worst. She never lost hope, even when things seemed hopeless.
서로를 미워하며 싸우는 대신 푸드토피아를 더 나은 곳으로 만들고 싶다 말하며
So, I guess my hope is
브렌다가 꿈꾸던 세상대로 이빨을 버리자고 제안하게 됩니다.
But you've shown me true goodness. Wow.
그리고 쌀알 역시 프랭크에게 고마움을 표시하며 자신의 선함의 가능성을 깨닫게 되는 순간
Okay, the important thing is we didn't kill her, right?
푸드토피아의 지도자였던 그녀가 까마귀에게 먹혀버리고 말았죠.
And a flying monster ate her.
I think that makes the flying monster the leader now.
Or is Julius still the leader, just without a grain of rice up his ass?
다시 혼란에 빠지게 된 푸드토피아.
But by helping each other. So throw down your teeth.
but I like my tooth.
I didn't vote for Frank. Why are we even listening to him? Let's just do another leader competition.
Uh-oh.
이빨을 버리자는 주인공의 말에도 음식들은 다시 한번 탐욕을 부리기 시작했고
I do. I call it.
I just punched out the food who called it. It's mine again.
지도자는 누구인지 가게의 주인은 누구인지 서로의 것을 차지하기 위해 싸우기 시작했는데요.
Frank, we still have to fix Foodtopia. We lost, but they're still our children. They're always going to be our responsibility, regardless.
그 모습을 바라보던 프랭크는 사랑하는 브렌다가 했던 말을 떠올리며 제게게 갑옷을 입혀 음식들의 앞에 나타납니다.
Want it to be this way, but you all left me no choice. We founded Foodtopia because we believed food should do whatever they wanted, but we were wrong. You cannot be trusted to make your own decisions, so I'll be making them for you.
그리고 이제는 자신이 책임자가 되어 공정한 사회를 만들어내고 말겠다 선언하며
Otherwise, Brenda will have died for nothing. I'm in charge now.
푸드토피아의 운명이 또다시 새로운 방향으로 흘러가기 시작했죠. 하지만 프랭크의 마음처럼 흘러가지 않는 푸드토피아.
So hot. I can't even whip up a batch of applesauce.
All right, everyone, you know what that sound means. Everyone's favorite thing to do. Time to share.
Man, this is ridiculous. 2 days ago, I spent 30 choppers on this thing.
이빨을 빼앗고 모두가 평등해야만 하는 사회를 만들었지만 음식들의 불만은 쌓여가기만 했는데요.
Look, I know, but this is the only way to ensure that everyone who needs it gets equal fridge time.
Eat a dick, Frank.
심지어 주인공의 가장 친한 친구들마저 불만을 품게 된 상황.
Support him and keep knocking out my fellow food like it's some kind of compulsion. Holy shit, you see that? I'm not liking that lighting or that gate.
그때 수상한 움직임을 포착한 베리가 감자와 글레이즈드 도넛의 뒤를 쫓게 됩니다.
It's so nerve-wracking. I mean, one wrong move and I could blow our cover.
Oh, shit!
Get him, Barry.
Busted, my babies.
다른 음식들이 프랭크의 정권에 불만을 품은 채 반란을 준비하고 있다는 사실을 알게 된 두 음식.
This is bigger than you think, Burr. It ain't just the two of us that have had our fill of Frank's regime.
Well, then I guess it really is a party. Maybe I'll have to dress up for the occasion.
More here, bit more chiaroscuro in the brushstrokes. Yep, a few more touches, and voila.
글레이즈드 도넛과 감자로 변장해 그들의 제대로 된 계획을 알아내기로 하는데요.
Finally! What took you so long?
We had to make sure we weren't tailed, didn't we? We got the map. What more you want from us, you wee bugger?
그리고 곧이어 밝혀진 충격적인 진실.
First, we lure Barry away from the electronics store with another illicit mural. Once he's gone, we go into the store. Kill Frank and his wretched Yumi in their sleep and escape through the highway.
그것은 바로 음식들이 모여 인간 잭과 프랭크를 없애 암살 계획을 세우고 있었던 것이었죠.
The plan is to kill Frank?
I don't see why you'd even ask that question when you helped create the plan.
망설임과 불안이 뒤섞인 채 반란이 현실로 굳어지던 그때
You know, back in my days on the Force, there was a case where food had the audacity to commit a robbery in Potato Head.
Potato Head, you say? That's despicable.
Show is.
Oh no! I mean.
Oh no.
수상함을 감지한 경찰 출신 아이스티가 베리와 세미의 잠입을 밝혀내고 맙니다.
Frank's gotta go.
잠시 후
God, are you serious?
What the hell? I told you not to come in my room. Ever.
위험을 무릅쓰고 달려가 충격적인 사실을 전하는 베리.
We need to get you out of here.
상황을 파악한 두 존재는 급히 도망치려 하지만 간신히 푸드토피아를 빠져나온 그 순간 출입문은 차갑게 닫혀버리는데요.
We're sorry, Frank.
It was the only way they wouldn't kill you.
We managed to negotiate them down to a light exile.
Can't believe you do this to me. You double-crossed me.
Look, baby, you need to just take this one on the chin, okay? Just give me some time to smooth things over. Trust me, these foods will listen to me.
Hey, what? Hey! You can stay the fuck out too.
서로를 속이는 배신 끝에 베리와 세미까지 함께 추방되어 버리고
This just in, it's a quadruple cross. We double-crossed both of you at the same fucking time.
What the hell did we do?
Are you kidding? You were in his government. Also, it's hard to trust you now that we know that you're willing to double-cross your best friend. Ugh, shameful.
And if any of y'all ever come back here again, tell them, Rutabaga.
You're dead meat. And a dead bagel.
그렇게 한때 모두를 이끌던 프랭크는 모든 것을 잃은 채 추락해버리고 말았죠.
Oh, I was just saying how my two best friends double-crossed me, the whole town rejected me, and Foodtopia was an utter failure, which means...
푸드토피아도 브렌다의 죽음도 모두 헛된 것처럼 느껴지는 주인공.
Huh? But come on, Frank. There's a whole world of food out there that we liberated. We can go anywhere. We perform anything. I mean, it's like a fresh start for all of us.
Yeah, I haven't really thought about it since getting captured and almost burned alive by you guys. But my hometown is only a few miles away. We had a huge grocery store and a pretty...
그때 잭이 포기하지 않고 프랭크를 다독이며 새로운 세상을 향해 나아가자고 설득합니다.
You know what, Jack? You're right. There is hope. There has to be a better place for us. There has to be. You will rue the day you exiled Frank Frankfurter and his friends. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, or the day after that, or honestly the day after that, or probably even the day after that. But you will fucking rue one of these days. No, we won't. Let's get the fuck out of here. I hate this place.
이내 다시 한번 일어설 이유를 찾아 완전히 새로운 세상을 향해 걸음을 내딛기 시작한 내 존재. 하지만 그들이 도착한 곳은 생명의 흔적조차 사라진 폐허일 뿐이었죠.
Jeez, where's all the liberated food?
You said this town would be packed. How is this possible?
No, something's off. There was a struggle. No, let me unhand me. A cookie crumbled here. A family of strawberries were running. Pitter. And then were dragged.
남아있는 건 싸움의 흔적과 사라진 자국뿐.
Maybe they all left.
Why leave a perfectly good town?
I don't know. To find something better? Because there has to be something better out there? Period? I feel it, okay? I feel it in my cartilage.
희망을 찾아 떠난 길 끝에서 마주한 또 다른 절망 앞에 서로를 향한 책임 공방이 시작되며 갈등은 다시 한번 깊어지기 시작했는데요.
Drinking is for friends.
Oh no, the bath salts are wearing off. I can't see any of your left eyes. It's happening. You're all fading.
설상가상으로 차원의 경계를 이어주던 베스솔트의 효과마저 점점 사라지기 시작한 제.
This is because you didn't bring the bath salts. Nice going.
Oh right, we were exiled because of you.
No, it's because everyone in our town fucking sucks.
Oh my god! Take some fucking ownership for once. Face it, you pushed them all too far. I tried to tell you, but you never listened.
이미 인류를 모두 잃었다는 공포 속에서 이제는 눈앞의 존재들마저 사라져가기 시작했고 현실이 무너져 내리는 순간에도 베리와 프랭크는 서로의 책임만을 따지던 중
I was a good leader. I was the only one trying to make a difference.
Fellas?
Yeah, and look where you led us. Is this the promised land you were hoping for? There's no fucking food around anywhere.
That may not be accurate.
자신들을 향해 광기 어린 저기를 드러내는 야생 딸기 무리들이 나타납니다.
Are those
wild bears?
필사적으로 도망치기 시작한 내 존재.
Wanna get wild? Come on. Let's get wild.
어쩔 수 없이 맞서 싸우려 한 순간
Wait, what? Oh, look at that. They're only attacking Jack. I actually got kind of worried.
모든 딸기들이 오직 잭만을 향해 집요하게 달려들고 있다는 사실을 깨닫게 되는데요. 그럼에도 프랭크는 자신의 친구를 내칠 수 없었고 결국 베리가 잭을 조종하기로 하며 목숨을 건 도약으로 가팔은 절벽 사이를 뛰어넘는 것에 성공할 수 있었죠.
Is everyone okay?
I think so. Frank?
그렇게 간신히 목숨을 건진 순간
I see lights in the distance. Oh, that can't be good.
Hey, fellas, you're gonna want to see this.
No fucking way. Well, look at that. What'd I tell you? The promised land.
내 존재의 눈앞에 희망처럼 보이는 새로운 세계가 펼쳐지게 됩니다.
It looks big.
It looks shiny.
It looks promising.
Oh, let's go check this spaceship out.
Jack is in rough shape. We gotta get him some bath salts.
Hey guys, think you might have to roll me into town.
Does that poor son of a bitch really think he's coming with us?
Yeah, this is sad. Even after the wild berry attack, he still thinks new foods will treat him with anything other than open hostility.
Bringing the last human on Earth would make a pretty bad first impression.
You know what? I'll soft pedal it.
계속해서 베스솔트의 효과가 사라지며 이 세계와의 연결이 흐려지고 있는 잭.
Frank? I can't understand you. I don't know if you can understand me, but I need an anchor to your world. All this to say, I really don't want you to leave me.
혼자가 된다는 공포와 프랭크와 함께하고 싶다는 절박함으로 매달려봤지만
My stepdad left me all alone in a hot car, and I think that's where my trust issues originated. His name was Frank, too. Oh my God! I can't believe I'm just putting that together.
And it's great to know that we're all
더 이상 두 존재의 말은 통하지 않게 되었고
So, how'd he take it?
pretty good, I think.
Frank? Frank! Oh God, I'm so
주인공은 베스솔트를 구해 돌아오겠다는 말을 남긴 채 그를 뒤로 한 채 돌아서 버리고 말았죠.
This is incredible. We just might have found our new home.
마침내 뉴푸드랜드에 도달한 새 음식.
Holy guacamole.
Unexpired life is not worth living. I sprout, therefore I am.
What the fuck? They got ghost cars?
이곳은 푸드토피아보다 훨씬 발전된 세계로 모든 음식들이 자유와 행복을 누리고 있는 듯 보였는데요.
I mean, which part? It's all mind-blowing.
완벽하게 구축된 교통체계, 완벽하게 돌아가는 교육 시스템.
This town is unbelievable. It's like the happiest place on earth.
Not for long.
Their mountain is waiting. We have to get them on their way. We gotta warn them.
Attention, foods. It appears we're about to experience some light precipitation momentarily. No need to worry, as our protective system will keep you all safe and dry.
비가 내리는 순간조차 그 모든 걸 막아내는 철저한 방어 체계까지 갖춰져 있었고,
They've conquered the fucking sky.
Also, a few positive affirmations. You are worthy. The skin or peel that you're in is enough.
심지어 프랭크가 그토록 꿈꿔왔던 서로를 배려하며 냉장고를 나누는 이상적인 질서까지.
Have a good day.
Oh, I'm sorry. You reached for it first.
말 그대로 그들이 그려왔던 유토피아가 눈앞에 펼쳐져 있는 순간이었습니다.
Yonggi! Frank? Wait, is that you? Oh, I knew you'd come back for me. Okay, okay, come on, quit fooling and pop out from behind that bush now, please. Wait, you're not Frank. Neither are you. None of you are Frank. Oh, shit.
그러던 중
What did I tell you? An ambush!
한 음식을 향해 몰려드는 수상한 움직임을 포착한 베리.
Well, hello there, my good Cam. This is some setup you got here. Is this fridge yours or everyone's? Either way, it's a pretty sweet deal you got.
본능적으로 이상함을 느낀 그는 곧바로 현장으로 향해 그녀를 위협하는 무리들을 막아서지만
Mon Dieu!
머스타드 여인은 모의훈련일 뿐이라며 그의 앞을 막아서는데요. 그리고 베리와 프랭크를 보자 홀린 듯 다가오기 시작한 음식들.
Frank, have you noticed?
These foods are acting super fucking weird.
잔뜩 경계하며 공포심을 느낀 순간
What is happening right now?
I think they're celebrating us.
It's true. I know this feeling. We're being buttered up. Yeah, see the sticks of butter down there?
음식들은 저기가 아닌 환영의 태도를 보이며 두 음식을 뉴푸드랜드의 중심으로 이끌어 주었죠.
Frank, Sammy, Barry, I'm Nut Trisha. But you can call me Trish. You honor us with your presence.
You know who we are?
How could we not? You started the revolution.
주인공 무리를 혁명을 일으킨 존재로 인식하며 존경과 기대의 시선을 보내고 있던 마을 음식들.
Wow, I am honored. I can't believe what you've managed to achieve here. Are you the leader?
Can you imagine? No, of course not. No, I am one of the many members.
이곳은 한 명의 지도자가 아닌 여러 음식이 함께 운영하는 의회 체제로 움직이고 있었고,
This is our data analyst, Sherman.
Pleasure to meet you. I represent our gluten-free confections and sweets.
각기 다른 음식들이 자신들의 목소리를 대표하는 구조를 갖춘 완전히 새로운 사회였습니다.
You could stay and find out. All of you should stay.
그리고 지도자들은 이곳에서 머물기를 제안해 주었고,
We're having a good time. So I don't think we're going to make any hard and fast decisions on it.
Oh, we are definitely staying.
망설임 없이 남겠다고 대답하던 순간
Oh, our ceremonial horn. I love the sound of it.
행사 알림 나팔 소리가 온 마을에 울려 퍼지기 시작했는데요.
Oh shit, Jack!
음식들 사이로 연행되어 가는 잭. 그의 모습을 본 순간
Found him fast.
Yeah, I told you guys we should have buried him in a shallow grave.
What do? We have to save his life, right?
새 음식은 자신들을 도와준 친구를 구해야 한다는 마음과
Point. If we out ourselves as human sympathizers, they're gonna make us fucking leave, and I don't want to leave.
Neither do I. Okay, 2 exiles in 2 days? No, I mean, that's not a good look.
It's a tough call. It's honestly, Jack's been kind of cool, but he had a good run. He lasted a lot longer than I thought he would.
살아남아야 한다는 본능 사이에서 갈등하게 되어버리고 말았죠.
Let's see here. Pupils only dilating on one side. What does that suggest?
Stigmatism? Mm-hmm. Blunt force trauma to the head.
You're both correct. Let's check his x-rays. Just as I suspected. Note the displacement of the L4 and L5 vertebrae. Flip him over. His spine needs a total realignment.
With a total realignment? What's that?
하지만 그들의 예상과 달리 음식들의 보살핌 속에 건강을 회복하게 된 제.
My searing pain. It's all gone. You fixed me.
Frank, remember before when you asked me how our town is so advanced? Well, let me tell you. The simple answer is we've domesticated humans. Can you believe it?
사실 뉴푸드랜드의 음식들은 인간을 도구로 길들이고 있었습니다.
I think seeing will help you better understand.
인간의 노동력, 기술, 지식 공급원을 이용해 음식들은 그 위에서 복지와 이상을 누리는 구조를 구축한 것이었죠.
Symbiosis complete.
그리고 인간의 몸 안으로 들어가 그들을 조종할 수 있다는 특성을 이용해 전투까지 가능하게 하고 있었는데요.
Oh, I love it. I've never worn anything that fit me so perfectly.
그렇게 뉴푸드랜드의 인간 사육 구역으로 들어가게 된 제.
Just consider me another food in your society. But which food should you consider me as? Mashed potatoes could work because of the color and feel of my body. Yummies! Well, ha! Don't you all just look delicious? What? What am I saying? You guys are hot. Hot is what I mean. Yeah, listen. Okay, let me start over. Hello, Jack. I'm
오랜만에 인간들과 마주한 그는 이제는 음식들과 대화가 더 자연스러울 만큼 그들이 어색하게 느껴졌지만
Hi, Jack. I'm
a girl. Great seeing you. All of you. I mean, all of you, even the boys. But you. Oh, look at you there. And look at me. Rambling again. Should we hug? Yeah, probably not this soon. Let's switch gears. Have you ever won anything after calling into a radio station?
Not recently. I was just gonna say my name's Jill.
새로운 관계를 만들어가려 노력해보며 서툰 대화를 시작해봅니다. 한편 뉴푸드랜드의 의회에 들어서게 된 프랭크.
Before we address that, I'd like to officially welcome our newest council member, Frank, who will be representing nitrates.
이곳의 음식들은 그에게 질산염 그룹의 대표 자리까지 맡기며 푸드토피아와는 다른 신뢰를 보여주고 있었는데요.
Well, not as excited as we are, that's for sure. As our newest member, why don't you select which item from the docket you'd like to start with? Oh my God, he can't read.
아직 기본적인 것조차 익숙하지 않았지만 그는 그토록 권하던 모두가 인정하는 권력의 중심에 서게 되었죠. 이후 베리는 훈련에 적응하고 프랭크는 배움을 깨우쳐 권력의 중심의 자리를 잡아갔고 잭 또한 인간들 사이에 섞여 관계를 만들고 세미도 영화감독으로 살게 되며
We have few missions tomorrow. You will ride up front with me.
Hot dog and mustard.
내 존재는 모두 안정을 찾아가고 있었습니다.
Well, Frankie boy, there's no other way to say it. I've created a masterpiece. So remember your life now, okay? Because after you see my movie, it's going to be changed forever.
I feel like it already has.
그리고 주인공은 지금까지의 모든 선택이 결국 이곳으로 이어져 스스로 만들어낸 세상이 눈앞에 완성된 듯한 기분을 느끼고 있었죠.
love a fuel mission.
그 시각 연료 보충 임무에 투입된 잭.
That's weird. We just passed the gas station.
기름을 채울 것이란 예상과는 달리 주유소를 지나쳐가고 있었는데요.
We're moving now.
곧 목적지에 도착한 인간과 조종사들.
Flank that first trailer on the left.
Barry, what are we doing here?
You're asking me? I have no idea. I'm just following Colonel Mustard.
Enter on my signal.
그들이 향한 곳에서의 임무는 바로
Hey, who's that? No way. Wait. What are you doing?
살아있는 음식들을 기습해 인간의 에너지원을 보충하는 것이었습니다.
What you doing? Leave me be! Put me down!
눈앞에 펼쳐진 충격적인 광경.
Oh my god. Fuel is food.
Gross, what the fuck?
Jeez, put a lid on that.
완벽하다고 믿었던 이 도시가 다른 음식들의 희생 위에 세워진 세계였다는 사실을 깨달은 베리는 곧장 프랭크와 세미에게로 향해 숨겨져 있던 진실을 알려주었죠.
This whole city's built on the corpses of foods like this.
Oi, you know, in light of this news, finishing principal photography on a bagel's life, the working title, feels kind of trivial and unimportant.
No. This has to be some kind of mistake. There is no way the council would ever condone this kind of thing. They're so smart and fancy and polite. They're so polite.
They're feeding food to their humies, Frank.
이 믿기 힘든 상황에 주인공은 현실을 부정하려 했지만
Smart or fancy about it. They're sick.
눈앞의 진실은 차마 외면할 수 없는 수준이었고
Well, you know what? I'm the one who's gonna stop this. I have status here. I have a statue. And
결국 그는 자신이 직접 나서 이 잘못된 시스템을 바로잡겠다고 이야기합니다.
We would have known we'd be encountering mostly saturated fats and refined sugars.
Well, live and learn. Motion to move up the date of the next fuel mission. Something's wrong with Frank.
Hi. I'd say sorry for interrupting.
곧장 의회로 돌아가 분노를 터뜨리며 이 모든 것을 따져묻기 시작한 프랭크.
What are you so apoplectic about?
Based on the fact that I just heard that you guys are feeding your humans food.
What else are we supposed to feed them?
Other humans, dirt, sticks, wagons. I'm just these wagons are stuck in my fucking head. Just not food. Anything but us.
Frank, your reaction is perfectly valid. We all went through what you're going through at the beginning.
하지만 그들은 주인공의 행동을 이해한다고 말하며
Believe me when I say we don't take any joy in their sacrifice.
너무나도 논리적으로 설명하기 시작했는데요.
Take Valerie, our electrical engineer who happens to be diabetic. If we don't maintain her blood sugar levels, she can't maintain our power grid, which would threaten Fridge Row and all the foods that reside there. Or our gardener Chauncey, who taught us the joys of Zen gardening and how to live more simply.
이 도시는 우연히 완벽해진 것이 아니라 철저한 계산과 선택 위에서 유지되고 있었고
Or Dr. Clarissa Montague. She's a food chemist who's experimenting on a new form of preservative that could one day grant us everlasting life.
인간을 유지하기 위해 일부 음식이 희생되는 구조 역시 필요한 비용으로 받아들여지고 있었죠.
We mitigate food loss by never going above 1600 and using supplementary protein powders.
This is a lot to take in, and these big words are not helping.
What Sherman is trying to say is that our approach with the humans is very deliberate and is only meant to sustain our way of life.
소수의 희생으로 다수의 행복을 지킨다는 신념.
Here we go. We give the humans as little food as possible so they can still work for us. Good. Frank, look outside. Everyone here is happy, thriving.
프랭크가 믿어왔던 이상은 이미 타협된 형태로 완성되어 있었던 것입니다.
Food sacrifice is the cost of sustaining her vision.
그들이 만든 유토피아는 완벽했지만 결코 깨끗하지 않은 것이었죠.
What happened? Did you let the council have it?
You know, I started off hot, but with a very well articulated point.
어쩌면 그들의 논리가 합리적일지도 모른다는 생각에 스며들기 시작한 주인공.
They don't kill that many foods, and it's only to sustain food's way of life, not humans.
Holy shit. They got to you.
Apparently, it gets a lot easier. Trish said after a while, you stop thinking about it altogether.
Easy for you to say. You weren't there. You didn't hear the cereal snap, crackle, and pop to death.
어쩔 수 없는 희생일지도 모른다는 그의 말을 모든 걸 직접 목격한 베리는 절대 받아들일 수 없었고
Humans eating us was the entire reason we started the revolution. Our lives shouldn't mean less than theirs. It should be the other way around. If you're not gonna do something about it, then I will.
두 음식은 결국 갈라져 버리고 말았습니다. 한편 잭과 함께 있는 인간 여성은 그가 음식을 먹지 않는 이유에 의문을 표했는데요.
It's pretty simple, really. I did it for Frank. When all the other foods were trying to ritually sacrifice me, he's the one who saved my life, stashed me away.
하지만 잭은 여전히 음식과 인간의 공존을 믿고 있었고 프랭크에 대한 신뢰도 놓지 않고 있었죠.
If he's your friend, then why hasn't he come around to see you?
He's just busy. I mean, that's the way it goes when you have a government job, right? Frank wants to be here. He cares about me.
Sounds like you've been through some real crazy Jack. But everything that happened, it all led us to this moment.
힘든 시간을 견뎌온 그에게 그녀가 위로를 건네주며
You mean us sitting and talking? It has been a pretty pleasant conversation.
두 사람은 서로에게 마음을 키워가게 됩니다.
Frank! These wagon rides rule! You wanna hop in?
이젠 뉴푸드랜드의 평화로운 풍경을 바라보면서도 마음이 전혀 편하지 않게 된 프랭크.
Maybe later, Rob.
I'm wagoning!
Yeah, let me try something here. Okay, this should help with your posture.
Feel so much better already.
다른 음식들의 희생 위에 이곳에 행복이 세워졌다는 사실은 너무나도 잔인한 현실이었기에
Measuring the success of any fuel mission depends on several factors, most notably the size and makeup of the food population. Now, I've taken the liberty of creating a comprehensive meal plan based on some data projections of our upcoming...
Hold that thought. Frank's been thinking again.
Hi, everyone. Sorry to interrupt.
주인공은 의회에 나서 다른 대안을 제시해보기로 하는데요.
No foods would be harmed, and one that is entirely humane.
음식의 희생 없이 공존할 수 있는 방법을 직접 제안해보는 프랭크.
Like something I'd like to hear. But we do have rules of procedure that require us to finish our current items before we introduce yours. If that's okay, Frank.
Of course, yes. I will sit down and listen to the rest of this meeting.
하지만 그의 말은 가볍게 넘겨졌고
As I was saying, the data projections for our next fuel mission are very encouraging.
Operation Food Top. Operation Food Top? Wait, there's more letters. Topaya.
그대로 진행되던 회의에서 이번 연료 보충 작전의 목적지가 바로 자신이 떠나온 고향이자 자신이 세운 나라인 푸드토피아라는 사실을 알게 됩니다.
In closing, with the amount of produce, carbohydrates, and protein in this town alone, we will be able to keep our humans nourished for months.
That, coupled with Frank's knowledge of the town layout, will make this one of our most successful fuel missions ever.
No, we can't do this.
주인공은 필사적으로 그들의 계획을 막아보려 하지만
Trish, you're the empath. Emma's a path, preferably to peace.
Frank, I thought you'd be on board, considering how you've been speaking of your old town. Rice, you've been keeping the minutes. Can you read back?
Quote, those dipshits exiled the only smart food they had. What a bunch of dipshits. End quote.
Okay, I was a little bitter they exiled me, but they don't.
의외의 음식들은 프랭크가 푸드토피아의 음식들을 증오한다고 생각하며 이번 작전을 밀어붙이기 시작했는데요.
Started this council so everyone could have a say. Why don't we put it to a vote?
Perfect, great. And let us really vote with our consciences this time.
아무리 해명해도 받아들여지지 않았고 투표로 넘어가 버린 상황.
All opposed? The ayes have it. The mission will commence in 2 days.
결국 결과는 잔혹하게도 푸드토피아를 침공하는 것으로 결정되어 버리게 되었죠.
I know this is hard, but I'm sure you'll come around.
급히 베리를 찾아간 프랭크.
No time. New Foodland is planning on invading Foodtopia in 2 days.
Hey, what? How did that happen? How did they even know where it is?
I know. That's a good question that I didn't think you would ask, and so I don't have a great answer for. What were you talking about before? You're having an identity crisis? Let's go back to that.
You told them, didn't you? What the fuck, dude?
Okay, I fucking told them by accident. I was venting. I thought it was just a harmless vent. You know how I vent.
뉴푸드랜드가 푸드토피아를 침공하려 한다는 사실을 전하고 남은 동료들을 모아 푸드토피아를 구하기 위해 급박하게 움직이기 시작합니다.
I'm not going back to Foodtopia, and neither are you.
하지만 돌아가지 않겠다 선언하는 셈이
I'm premiering my movie tomorrow.
Who cares about your movie right now, Sammy?
Everyone does, Frank. And, you know, once New Foodland sees my 4-hour epic about the triumph of the food spirit, they will not invade Foodtopia or harm any food ever again.
그는 자신의 예술이 잔혹한 뉴푸드랜드의 계획을 바꿀 수 있을 것이라 믿으며
You think only war and violence creates change? Art, my friends. That's what changes us on a cellular level. You will see.
We won't see because we're going.
Sammy, you are wasting your time.
Oh, no. You're wasting your time, bub. Yeah, you know what? Go. Get.
프랭크와 베리를 내쫓아버리고 말았죠.
Hey, those are for premier attendees only.
Fuck you, we're taking it.
그날 저녁
We need to lift his fleshy eye doors.
잭을 찾아간 두 음식.
Frank, you're here.
주인공은 푸드토피아가 위험하다는 사실을 전하며 함께 떠나자 설득했지만
And tell me that I'm leaving? Look, I can't leave.
그는 최근 도망치려던 한 인간이 음식들로부터 죽음을 맞이했다며 이를 거부하기 시작했는데요.
Those foods hated me. I mean, they all wanted to kill me. It whispered it to me all the time. Foodtopians didn't care about me. Why should I care about them?
Jack, come on. I care about you.
Do you? This is the first time you visited me, and it's only because you need.
그리고 자신을 받아들여준 건 음식이 아니라 인간들이었다는 현실 속에서 더 이상 돌아갈 이유를 느끼지 못한다고 말하는 잭.
To be a dragon somewhere that calls for important dragon work. I got news for you. I'm not your dragon anymore. I'm a horse.
그는 끝내 프랭크와 함께하지 않겠다고 선언하고 인간들과 남기를 선택합니다.
With my people. It turns out my people are people.
These are your people? These are food eaters.
그 선택 앞에 격하게 충돌하는 두 존재.
You had no intention of integrating me into your food world, did you?
Yeah, no shit. You're a human. How could you be food?
With an open heart and a little imagination. You were just using me this whole time. I don't think you ever really loved me. Well, I regret loving you.
서로에 대한 좋았던 기억마저 부정하며 상처를 주고받던 끝에
I'm out of here.
Well, then I guess this is goodbye.
Oh, it is goodbye. Until I see you on the battlefield, well, I'll have no choice but to kill you.
Well, I suppose I'll have no choice but to eat you.
I'd like to see you try. You don't have a fucking stomach.
두 존재는 돌이킬 수 없는 이별을 맞이하고 말았는데요.
You don't have the fucking stomach.
프랭크와 완전히 끝났다는 자신의 선택을 확인이라도 하듯 냉장고로 뛰어들어가 소시지를 미친 듯이 씹어먹기 시작하는 잭.
Oh, wow.
죄책감과 분노, 그리고 무너져버린 관계에 대한 감정이 뒤섞인 채 더 이상 돌아갈 수 없다는 사실을 억지로 받아들이려는 듯한 선택이었죠. 그때 프랭크와 베리의 배신을 눈치챈 디종이
Saddle up, now. Barry and the other sausage have deserted us. A crime punishable by death.
곧장 이 사실을 의회에 알리게 되고
Newfoundland. I've just received word that Frank and Barry, who we so graciously welcomed into our beautiful community, have deserted us to warn their old town about our impending fuel mission.
뉴푸드랜드 전체에 긴급 소식이 퍼지게 됩니다.
We have to assume Foodtopia will be expecting us. Without the element of surprise, we need to roll out with our full arsenal. War is upon us.
평화로워 보이던 공동체는 단숨에 전쟁 분위기로 뒤바뀌었고
Fell asleep. It was a movie. It's fine. But you did offer us a foundation for the geographical layout of Foodtopia that will surely help our offensive. Thank you.
You saying my movie didn't make things better, it made things worse?
뉴푸드랜드는 기습이 불가해졌다는 소식을 전하며 전쟁을 선포하게 되었죠.
Attention, foods. Don't forget to grab weaponry. Remember your training. This is not a drill.
정교하게 통제된 시스템 속에서 빠르게 진행되어가는 전투 준비.
Killers.
Seatbelts.
뉴푸드랜드의 음식들은 인간 전투 병기들과 함께 베리와 프랭크가 향한 푸드토피아로 진격하기 시작합니다. 그리고 잭을 조종하게 된 능력 있고 거침없는 위스키 매버릭.
Well, that's right, human. I am dangerous. And I'm gonna work you like you have never been worked before. I'm gonna take you to the limit of your potential, and then I'm gonna shatter it.
한계를 밀어붙이는 방식으로 인간을 전투병기로 만들어내는 최정상급 조종사였지만 과거에도 인간을 몰아붙이다 무너뜨린 전적이 있는 위험한 존재였는데요.
Let's do this.
Double sciatica, bone spur, heart murmur, rupturing spleen, depression.
끊임없이 울리는 이상 신호들, 망가져가는 신체 상태 속에서도 한계까지 잭을 몰아붙이는 매버릭.
I know he's a little unhinged, but Maverick's your best chance of catching Frank and getting your revenge. You still want that, right?
What difference does it make?
그럼에도 인간은 아무것도 저항할 수 없이 도구로 사용될 뿐이었죠.
Jack, you're not human.
한편 푸드토피아의 음식들과 다시 마주하게 된 프랭크와 베리. 불안정해졌을 것이라 믿었던 예상과 달리 이곳의 음식들은 서로 협력하며 살아가고 있었습니다.
I see the town really got its act together after the
exile? Yeah, you know, that's how we first realized how well we all work together.
더 이상 누군가가 지배하는 구조가 아닌 브렌다가 남긴 가치를 받들어 평등과 연대 속에서 스스로 운영되는 공동체로 변화시킨 푸드토피아 주민들.
She embodies equality, bravery, compassion.
And she was never a bossy dick about it. She brought out the best in us, when you only brought out the worst in us.
음식들은 프랭크가 과거 마을을 혼란에 빠뜨렸던 존재라 말하며 그에 대한 적대심을 드러내고 있었는데요.
Actually, we have some pretty shitty news.
There's no way to soft pedal this. There's a giant, impeccably trained army of foods and human kaijus set to attack Foodtopia.
그런 상황에서도 주인공은 뉴푸드랜드에서 벌어지고 있는 진실인 음식과 인간이 결합된 군대가 푸드토피아를 향해 진격하고 있다는 사실을 전하지만
We don't believe you.
Nobody trusts y'all's asses, and you shouldn't have.
그의 말은 쉽게 받아들여지지 않았죠.
Front to front feels so much more humiliating this way.
What if they're telling the truth?
Let's put some extra carrot sticks on the lookout. We need to cover our asses.
그럼에도 그의 말을 완전히 무시할 수는 없었던 마을은 혹시 모를 상황에 대비하기 위해 경계를 강화시키기로 합니다.
How much time do you think we have?
하지만 푸드토피아 음식들은 프랭크와 베리를 묶은 채 방치해버렸고
That's convenient. You're tied up already.
Yep.
그런 두 음식은 끝내 뉴푸드랜드에게 붙잡히며 다시 한번 심판의 대상이 되어버리고 마는데요. 의회 앞에 선 프랭크.
Those missions keep our town's foods alive and enlightened. How do you not get that?
You trade lives for lives. How do you not get that?
호두는 데이를 위한 선택이었다며 그의 행동을 비판하지만 주인공은 끝까지 자신의 신념을 굽히지 않았죠.
Never meet your heroes.
그때 전해지기 시작한 전장의 소식.
Approaching the gate. There's no one here. Where's all the food? They know we are coming. They know we are coming.
푸드토피아를 기습했지만 이미 완전히 대비를 마친 상태였고 뉴푸드랜드의 군대는 함정에 당해버리고 맙니다.
You said they were disorganized.
이에 분노한 호두는 정면 돌파가 불가능하다는 사실을 깨닫고 다른 길을 찾기로 하는데요.
Okay. We have ways of making them talk.
Ooh, I hope it's bribery. Do you guys think it'll be bribery?
정보를 알아내기 위해 고문이라는 수단까지 꺼내든 뉴푸드랜드.
Wiener Schnitzel. I hated making it as a girl.
But Mama, I hate cooking schnitzel. There's so many steps.
Well, now I'm glad there are. More to torture you with.
비밀 통로를 알아내기 위해 동족의 달걀물을 먹이기까지 했고
You like that, Frank? How does it feel to taste your own kind?
It's bad. I don't like it.
Now you know how Jack felt. Now let's get a nice, even coating.
반죽까지 칠해지고
Oh, the oil must be ready. Where's the secret entrance?
Okay. It's behind the dumpster of the Big Kahuna Burger.
Another lie.
기름까지 떨어지는 끔찍한 고통 속에서도 끝까지 버텨보려 하고 있었죠.
Is this what honor looks like to you?
이미 한번 잘못된 선택으로 수많은 음식들을 위험에 빠뜨렸던 프랭크.
Me again? Why? Come on! Oh, that's permanent damage. I'm gonna need a beef graft.
Pick up the baster, Dijon.
No, I control her. You do not control me.
여기서 또 입을 여는 순간 그건 돌이킬 수 없는 배신이 되기에 브렌다가 남긴 연대와 희망의 상징 푸드토피아를 지키겠다는 단 하나의 마음으로 끝까지 침묵을 지켜냅니다. 그날 저녁 고문을 버텨낸 주인공 무리 앞에 모습을 드러낸 푸드토피아의 음식들.
Came back to save us first.
We heard you shrieking from all the torture, and you didn't break.
다시 한번 서로에 대한 신뢰를 확인한 그들은 망설임 없이 뉴푸드랜드를 탈출해 나갔죠.
Hit it!
I'll see you on the battlefield.
그리고 뉴푸드랜드는 도망친 그들을 쫓아 본격적인 추격과 전투에 돌입하게 됩니다.
Everyone excited for the big day? I made a little pre-game snack.
출전을 준비하던 와중 자신이 직접 만든 간식을 나누며 전투 전 긴장을 풀어보려 노력하는 잭.
Jalapeno Cheese Whiz Fudge Fritters, otherwise known as Jack Balls.
They look like big chocolate turds.
Hey, fine, don't eat my Jack Balls. It's not like I stayed up all night making them, hoping that you'd like them and, like me. But it doesn't look like either of those things is gonna happen. So just forget it.
끔찍한 조합이었지만 그의 정성을 생각한 질이 나서서 먹자고 제안하고
The Jack Balls look good. Right, everybody?
모두가 억지로 간식을 먹을 수밖에 없었죠.
Thank you. I knew you'd like them.
Well, hello, Jack.
Hi.
Oh, there's no reason to be nervous. We just want to ask you some questions. Firstly, how are things going between you and Jill? And how would you feel if something bad happened to her? You know, because of you.
Huh?
마침내 시작된 전투. 푸드토피아의 예상과 달리 뉴푸드랜드의 전투원들은 비밀 통로를 통해 공격해오고 있었는데요.
I'm sorry, Foodtopia. This is all my fault. Run for your sweet and savory lives. Got two hoagies on my tail. I'm taking them out.
그리고 비밀 통로를 털어놓은 뒤 매버릭에게 조종당해 음식들을 무차별적으로 공격하는 잭.
How you like that, Jack? Feel alive, big stuff?
지상 곳곳에서 공격과 방어가 뒤엉키며 전장은 순식간에 아수라장으로 변해가고
Brilliant idea. Threatening to hurt Jill to get the intel.
Thank you, Sherman. And may I say your eyes are looking extra perky today?
Thank you.
서로의 목숨을 빼앗는 전투는 점점 더 격렬해져만 갑니다.
Well, the council just voted in a new measure.
전투가 치열해지는 가운데 의회는 끝내 프랭크를 배신자로 규정하고 그를 처치하는 자의 이름을 따서 마을 광장 이름을 정하기로 하는데요. 전장의 한가운데서 집요한 추격을 받게 된 주인공.
Last looks. Rolling. Rolling.
Hey, Humies! You want Frank? Come and get him, baby!
Fuck them!
More atmosphere. Pump the atmos.
사방에서 몰려드는 적들을 미리 준비해둔 장소로 유인하며
Where did they? There! Vanilla's in the mist!
Featured extras.
Y'all want a piece of this ass?
Come and get it.
각종 소품과 연출을 이용해 인간들을 교란시키기 시작했죠.
My tooth!
The stand-ins worked. Occupy. Move it. Couch potatoes now.
혼란스러워진 틈을 타 조종석을 탈취하는 것에 성공한 감자. 인간들끼리의 내분까지 일어나게 되며 줄리어스까지 인간의 몸으로 침투하려던 그때
Oh my God!
디종이 조종하는 질에 손에 붙잡혀 비참한 최후를 맞이하고 맙니다.
Initiate safety lock countermeasure 113.
그리고 잭을 다시 되찾으려는 노력 끝에 매버릭과 베리가 맞붙게 되는데요. 서로의 의지가 부딪히며 전투는 한순간도 방심할 수 없는 접전으로 이어지고 점점 더 거칠어지는 공격 속에서 마침내 베리가 조종석을 차지하게 되었죠.
Jack, it's me. I need to borrow your body, but only for a little.
I'm so sorry, Honey Pretzel. Are you okay?
그 순간 그의 앞을 막아서는 질과 디종.
No! I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
It is time, Barry. Are you ready to engage in Mortal Kombat?
No, I mean, I'd rather not.
Jill, look out!
서로를 공격하기 싫어하는 마음과 달리 두 인간은 조종에 이끌린 채 서로를 향해 맞서게 되고 맙니다. 디종과 질이 점점 우위를 점하며 베리와 잭을 몰아붙이기 시작했고
Jack, protect your face for her.
격렬한 싸움 끝에
This is the only way it could end, Barry.
Dijon, please, if you ever cared about me, don't make me do this.
Ferme ta bouche. This is not, how you say, democracy. You are a weapon, nothing more.
마지막 일격을 날리려던 순간 모든 인간들의 몸에 이상 신호가 오기 시작했는데요.
What is occurring?
Said there was no escape. Well, I found one.
The Jack Balls.
This way no one else has to die. Humans or food.
그리고 곧 모든 인간들이 조종석에 예상치 못한 생리적 대참사를 분출하며 엔진은 모두 마비가 되어버리고 말았죠.
We don't have much time, Jill, so I'll keep this brief. Ever since I was a little boy, I would have this recurring dream where I was all alone in a lighthouse.
조종이 멈춘 지금 자신의 진심을 꺼내 보이며 질에게 마음을 전하는 잭.
This sounds potentially sweet, but very
With
long.
you, I don't feel alone anymore. You're my lighthouse. You brighten my way and make sure I don't crash into the metaphorical rocks of life. You're strong, sturdy, and you don't need a lighthouse keeper to make you shine.
자신과 함께 자유를 향해 떠나 외롭지 않은 행복을 누리자고 이야기하며 서로의 손을 맞잡은 두 사람은
Let's be free. Jeans and long hair.
Humans, to the recreational vehicle!
모든 인간들과 함께 음식들의 지배로부터 벗어나기 시작합니다.
No! No! They're trying to escape!
전투를 멈추기 위해 준비해둔 잭의 소화 촉진제로 인해 순식간에 전장은 무너졌고 인간들은 탈출할 수 있게 되었죠.
Dijon, I'm done fighting. Okay?
그리고 베리는 더 이상 디종과 싸우지 않겠다 선언하는데요.
I couldn't let innocent foods die. Look around at the spoils of your.
그는 이 전쟁이 만들어낸 참혹한 결과를 보여주며 그녀를 설득하기 시작했고
Sounds the same as milk gurgling their last breath from yours.
서로를 향한 감정과 무너져버린 신념이 뒤엉킨 채 전투는 더 이상 의미 없는 싸움으로 변해가고 있었다는 사실을 깨닫게 됩니다.
Got it purring.
Don't go! Please don't go!
Stay! Stay and we'll show you leniency.
한편 뉴푸드랜드의 음식들이 인간들을 설득하며 붙잡던 순간
What the hell?
하늘에서 헬기가 날아와 인간들이 타고 있는 차량을 통째로 들어올리기 시작했는데요. 떠나가는 잭을 붙잡기 위해 필사적으로 차량에 매달린 프랭크. 그 뒤를 트리시가 따라붙으며
You asshole, look what you've done!
What I've done? You're the one that started this crazy war. Let go of me.
Never!
극한의 상황 속에서도 두 음식은 서로를 탓하기 시작했고
Fighting me! What's wrong with you? We're all food. We're all the same.
You know how much smarter I am than you? How can you possibly think we're the same?
Because we're both fucking nuts.
그렇게 모든 것이 뒤엉킨 채 추락해버리고 말았죠. 모든 것이 끝났다 체념한 순간 밀가루 포대가 받아주며 극적으로 살아나게 된 주인공.
Hey, did you make things right with Jack?
I hope so.
예상치 못한 이별이었지만 서로에 대한 마음만은 품은 채 인간들은 알 수 없는 곳으로 향하게 됩니다. 그리고 도착한 곳은 살아남은 인간들이 모여있는 군사기지였는데요.
It's okay. You're safe now. The food rations we have here can't hurt you. You must be Jack. You've got a lot of fans here.
음식에게 지배당했던 세상 속에서 간신히 살아남은 이들은 그동안의 상황을 모두 지켜보고 있었고
Every move? Like even when Frank and I...
Every move. I've never seen a human honeypot a hot dog so effectively. If we get out of this, you'll be teaching lectures on it at West Point. Follow me. When the food revolution broke out, our armed forces were woefully unprepared.
이제는 전세를 뒤집기 위한 마지막 반격을 준비하고 있었죠.
The tide is finally turning.
Really? Just because you have us?
No. Because we have this. Once we unleash this on foodkind, they're gonna wish they were never grown, processed, packaged, or sold in bulk. Welcome to the U.S. military.
그리고 그 중심에는 음식들을 상대할 비밀 무기가 숨겨져 있었습니다. 결국 서로를 이해하지 못한 채 시작된 작은 균열은 걷잡을 수 없는 전쟁으로 번져버리고 말았는데요. 누군가는 이상향을 꿈꿨고 누군가는 그 이상향을 지키려 했으며 또 누군가는 그 안에서 살아남기 위해 선택을 해야만 했죠. 하지만 그 모든 선택들은 결국 누군가의 희생 위에 세워진 것이었고 누군가는 지켜냈다고 믿었지만 또 다른 누군가는 모든 것을 잃어버렸습니다. 믿음은 쉽게 무너졌고 관계는 되돌릴 수 없을 만큼 틀어졌으며 한때 서로를 구했던 존재들조차 서로를 향해 칼을 겨누게 되었죠. 그럼에도 불구하고 끝까지 포기하지 않으려 했던 마음, 누군가를 지키고 싶었던 선택, 그리고 마지막까지 남아있던 아주 작은 희망이 이 모든 이야기를 여기까지 끌고 오게 만들었는데요. 싸움은 끝난 것이 아니라 단지 다음 단계로 넘어갔을 뿐이지만 무너진 세계 위에서 살아남은 존재들은 다시 한번 선택해야 하고 이번에는 더 거대한 싸움이 그들을 기다리고 있습니다. 그 끝에서 이들이 만들어낼 결말이 과연 공존일지 아니면 완전한 파멸일지 궁금해지는 이야기 소시지 파티 시즌 1, 2를 추천하며 지금까지 애니지 팝소였습니다.